Before the adjournment, 3 witnesses, Mike Awenigeme, Comrade John Ogunwuloge, and Ifedayo Esheshi, who are ward collation agents from Esako East local government area, adopted their depositions, which states that election of September 28, 2016 governorship election in Edo State was devoid of overvoting and violence. The first witness, under cross-examination by counsel to INEC and APC, said as ward collation agent, he never had any contact with voters register, neither did he took custody of same before and after the election. The witness said he saw when the INEC presiding officer submitted INEC materials to the ward collation agent, but that he do not know the content of the materials. When the witness was handed Exhibit PO 260-1-7 by counsel to the petitioners Adebayo Adelondu SAN to identify the tickings on the voters register, counsel to Governor Godwin Obaseki Kemozia SAN objected on the grounds that the witness said he had no contact with the register, being a ward collation agent. However, counsel to the petitioners said the witness in his paragraphs 11 of his deposition made reference to the voters register, and based on the rulings of the tribunal on 7th of February that documents that are exhibited before the tribunal can be identified, there was no need objecting. Based on this argument, the tribunal chairman, Justice Ahmed Badamasi, said the witness should identify the materials. The witness was thereafter asked to confirm if there were tickings on both sides of the voters register. Again, counsel to Governor Godwin Obaseki Kemozia SAN objected that having identified the document, the witness cannot be asked to interpret a document he has no contact with, adding that doing so will amount to usurping the rights of the tribunal, saying that the matter is for address and not for the witness to explain to whether the voters register was ticked or not. However, counsel to the petitioners said since the witness said there was overvoting and accreditation took place in his deposition, there was need for the witness to confirm if the register was ticked to the left, which signifies accreditation. Again, the tribunal chairman, Justice Ahmed Badamasi, said since the witness stated it on his statement on oath, he should be allowed to answer the question which the witness affirmed. The second and third witnesses told the tribunal under cross-examination that no agent of any political party complained to INEC ward collation officer of any wrongdoing at their various polling units. Asked by counsel to the petitioners Adebayo Adelondu if there were tickings on the voters register, the third witness, who affirmed that there are tickings, said he does not know if the tickings were to the left or right. After the third witness testimony, counsel to Governor Godwin Obaseki Adetunji Oyeyepo applied for an adjournment after they have called a total of 65 witnesses. Oyeyepo SAN said the 2 days adjournment is to enable them re-appraise their case and streamline the witnesses that have so far testified, adding that they do not want to dump all manner of witnesses before the tribunal, as the adjournment will enable them maximize their time to put forth relevant and credible defense. At the end of proceeding, counsel addressed journalists.
We had up to Monday to present our case. It is our prerogative to decide on how to do it, so it's not like we ask for adjournment for any concession. Rather, we decided that it is expedient for us to go and streamline our witnesses and then make our final presentation on Monday. So that's what we have done. It was a change in strategy to meet the exigencies of the time.
The proceedings went well. It's going on well. In a battle, when you get to a stage, you have a right to assess what you are doing and see whether you are still going in the right path or whether you should stop at this stage. That is what the second respondent has done. And mark you, they are still within time.
The proceeding is going on well as far as we are concerned. As far as our team is concerned, it's going on well. And what had happened did not come to us as a surprise. Well, the tribunal will make up its mind. If a man sees the obvious and denies the obvious, it's the work for the tribunal. When a person comes before a court of law and sees white and sees black, the court will make up its mind.
This is the first time that the second respondent will be calling just 3 witnesses to testify for the day since it opened its defense on the 23rd of February 2017. The tribunal will reconvene on March 6 for the respondent to close its case in the petition filed by the People's Democratic Party and Osaige Yamu Andrew, and on March 7th, the third respondent, that is the All Progressives Congress, is also expected to open its case. From the Edo State Governorship Election Petitions Tribunal sitting in Benin, Best Mbiere reporting.